today I'm filming another organizational video, but this time I'm organizing my makeup. So I have my makeup in boxes right now. My makeup has been in boxes for like 6 months. It's a problem, but I'm working on it. And I also have like makeup stored in here, but it's not really that organized. So this box is the Alex drawer. I was gonna try and be an independent woman and set this up myself, but I called my boyfriend over to help me because I don't have time. It's okay to admit when you need help. And I'm already admitting I need help. Don't break my Alex drawers. I'm kidding. Oh my gosh. I don't know why that just broke my heart. I bet it's gonna take like 2 hours. You don't think it's gonna take 2 hours? Nope. All right, so we need a hammer and it's nowhere to be found. So it's a few days later and I honestly, I don't like the drawers. I really just don't like the way they make my room look. I just feel like it kind of ruins like the aesthetic I was going for. Anyway, that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is for me to start organizing. So I'm just going to start organizing my room. One little piece of like organizational stuff, I guess. So I'm gonna exchange some stuff at the Container Store and then get that one more like little piece thing that I need, and we should be done. Finally, it's been hours and I'm tired of it. Hopefully I do not sit in the store for more than 5 minutes. I'm famous for being in stores for like over an hour, so we'll see. So if you guys want to know where I got all my like storage and stuff, I will put everything in the description box. I got some things from the Container Store and other things from Amazon. Like this is from Amazon.
but like a lot of these are from the Container Store, and I think this is also from Amazon. So I put all my powders and blushes here, my foundations here, and I put my concealers back there, if you guys can see. All my palettes are in this section. Then I just have all my lip glosses and lipsticks. Then back there, I have all my prep and prime stuff. Then I have some single eyeshadows and just some like liquid glitters. Then I have like my eyeliners, my mascaras, and my brow pencils all in here. And then here I have all my Kylie liquid lipsticks. I just put them on display because I thought it looked cute. I don't even know why I went out and bought Alex Shores without trying to downsize my makeup. So I'm sorry, AJ, for wasting your time. So I'm super happy that I get to give it away or just return it. I want it out of my room. Also, I want to thank you guys for getting me to 12K. Like, I'm blown away by all your support, and it's really crazy that I'm almost at 13K. So I just thank you guys for all the support. Like, it really means the world to me. I just love you guys. So thank you so much for subscribing. And if you're not already subscribed, you should definitely subscribe and join the family. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video.